Education Society, redefining excellence.
Myself Srishti Kalgur.
Hello, myself Akash Dabhade.
Myself Mugdha Sanjay Borse.
Hello everyone, myself Abrar Rahman from Zil College of Engineering and Research Pune, and we are doing this project under PBL activity, that is project based learning, to make our mind more creative and practical in our respective fields. So directly taking you into the project. So the title of our project is Make an Iterator that returns consecutive keys and groups from the iterable. We are doing this project under the guidance of Professor Amar sir. These are the presenters of this project, that is me, Mugdha Borse, Akash Dabhade and Srishti Kalgur. First we will see the definition and usage, its working model, iterator objects in Python, its inputs, what input we are taken, and the output of that. So what is iterable? In Python, iterable and iterator have specific meanings. An iterable is an object that has an iter method which returns an iterator or which defines a get item method that can sequential indexes starting from 0 and raises an index when the indexes are no longer valid. In short, this is all about the iterator. There is a list or iterable. It separates out all the things in it, like it separates and writes it differently. There are so many objects in iterator in Python, that is list, string, tuple, and some non-sequence types like dictionary, file objects, and objects, which we can define with an iter or get item or method. This is the input source code. We have used a random alphabets here, and which we will use, which will get key and its group. Similarly, we have used a number for that too. We are grouped some number here. We will get the output like this. For key A, if the A alphabet is repeated 4 times, so in group it will shows it 4 times. Then for key J, it is repeated 4 times, so it will shows 4 times. For H 4 times, N 1 times, W 3 times, E 2 times, and so on. For numbers 2, it will shows the how many times it is repeated. So this was about the project. This is the online Python compiler. When we paste our program here, you can see when we run it, this is the output we get, which I have shown you in the presentation. Thanks for watching.
Zil Education Society, redefining excellence.